Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Pilot EX. It does come equipped with LED daytime running lights. You'll also have fog lights, keyless entry, as well as remote start. You'll have a 10-way power seat, which includes lumbar support. You'll notice the all-weather floor mat be found in all footwells. You will have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes the road departure mitigation, the collision mitigation braking system. You'll also have the Econ mode for fuel-efficient driving, the lane keep assist system, and the adaptive cruise control. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to control your phone, answer your phone calls, use voice commands, cycle through your media sources, and control the volume. You'll have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to be able to Bluetooth your music into the car, XM radio. Dual climate control, heated front seats. You have a USB and power port. An additional USB and power port here in the center console. Place to store your sunglasses with the built-in mirror for the back seat. The all-weather floor mat continuing into the second and in the third rows. Rear climate control. Easy access in the third row with the push of a button. You have a capless fuel filler. You'll also have a backup camera with 3 different views. You have the easy stow seating. All-weather cargo tray extends over the back seats, and an additional storage compartment down here. This is the 2019 Honda Pilot EX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.